and that means that they're not as efficient as a bone dry intercooler, a brand new one.
Okay.
The difference is minimal. The factory says it's not worth the extra expense
To do anything to
some manufacturers. See, this is a separator.
I wonder what that was. What is it?
Yeah, it's an oil separator.
Oh, okay.
So this is part of the engine breather system, the
Yeah.
case
Oh,
breather system.
Yeah.
Air is positively drawn through here,
Yeah.
along here, down here, and into the back of the throttle body where it goes into the supercharger.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
And this is a diaphragm that helps to separate the oil from the air,
Yeah,
so the oil
okay.
runs back into the rocket cover.
Okay. That makes sense.
If this was 100% efficient, then this would all be bone dry.
Good dry. Okay.
And it's pretty good. It's a whole lot better than the 4 litres that didn't have that.
Okay. Okay. Learning every day. Okay, we're back at Dr Jag's. Going to pick up my XJR, which looks like it's ready. Sitting out the front there. If it wasn't ready, I'm sure he wouldn't have it out here. Hey, Greg.
Okay, Greg.
How are you, mate?
Good, good. Come on through.
Thank you. So it's finished?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise it wouldn't be sitting out the front.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a full load this week?
Yeah, I got quite a few cars in this week.
Yep. Nice E-type.
Yeah.
Is that series 1.5?
Yeah, 1.5. That one.
God, I'm good. No, I don't really know. I just took that, just guessed that.
No. Well, you're pretty right.
Yeah.
Pretty right.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so this is the offender. That's
Yeah.
the dreaded hose that goes under the supercharger.
So-
It's leaking out of here.
Oh, that might last a couple more years.
No. And it's all swollen here. It shouldn't be swollen.
No, okay. Yeah.
That goes on the back of the water pump directly
Yeah.
under the supercharger.
Yeah.
And it runs around the
Like that.
supercharger and around to
Right.
the throttle body there.
Yeah.
This is a little water pump inlet hose.
Yeah.
And you can see all the staining here.
Loose, yeah.
So it was leaking a bit there.
Yeah, that's right. Good to get rid
New
of that
one of
one.
those.
Put that one in.
These also complete that circuit from the
Underneath
back
that
to the front.
supercharger, yep.
Yep, change all of them.
Yep.
Rocket
Yep.
cover gaskets.
Yep.
Plug tube seals.
Yep.
Timing case gasket, which was leaking all around the bottom
Oh,
here.
it feels like it's so hard. It's gone, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's-
so they shrink and
Yeah.
then they end up being, below the level
yeah.
of the groove in the timing cover.
Yeah, even feeling that tab cover gaskets, they're a lot softer than that. So
These
that,
are newer, yeah. So these have been done
you think so? Yeah,
somewhere
maybe.
along the way.
Yeah.
But because I disturbed them, I did them again.
Yeah, no, good. I'm happy to do that. Yeah.
This is part of the supercharger adapter. So that's the inlet to the back of the supercharger.
Yep.
That's your throttle body.
Yep.
Water pump gasket. Now
Yep.
it's important that you use the shim style gasket behind the V8 water pumps,
Okay.
not the paper one.
Okay, which is metal shim.
Yeah, so some water pumps will come with a paper gasket. Don't
Okay.
use it.
Don't use it.
Go and get one of these, the genuine
Okay.
shim gasket.
Yeah.
That's another rubber seal that's all swollen and loose.
Yep. Where was that?
That goes on the oil filter adapter, so down low on the front of the motor.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
But they tend to leak.
Yeah.
That's the rubber seal under the spout that this pipe sits on.
Oh, okay. And a couple of O-rings there.
They're internal seals inside. You've got a couple of bolts that go through the centre of the timing case, so you've got to seal them up.
All right. Oh, good.
So they're all your seals. Front crankshaft seal, of course.
Crankshaft seal. Beautiful. That wasn't leaking, but
It didn't look to be leaking.
That's good. At least we've got a new one in it now.
So you've got a whole bunch of seals and hoses.
Yeah, and obviously these are a little bit worn too. The
Yeah.
sway bar bushes. Oh, look,
Yeah.
they're not round. They're oval. They're egg shaped.
Yeah, I mean, you've got to unclamp them to feel them, and then they always feel a bit loose.
Yeah,
But,
I don't think they don't look ever been replaced. Do you think?
well, the new ones have a different internal lining, a little bit of a harder internal lining. These have it a bit.
Okay.
But anyway, the new one's squashed down nice and tight.
Oh, glad.
Which means they're not
Really
gonna
good
run
for
off.
that. Okay. All good. Nothing else? Yeah.
No, it's all done now.
And Ollie XJ40, you got your XJR,
Yep.
old S-type, looking after. And, all right, Greg. All good, mate.
Yeah, but it runs well.
Well, I picked this thing up from Dr Jag, and it doesn't feel any different when I dropped it off to him. But at least I know that I now have a very reliable motor car. He's replaced all those hoses underneath the supercharger. It now doesn't have any oil leaks. He's had all the engine apart, all the timing chains are in good condition. The engine was very clean. So I'm very happy that it's all done, and also I'm not hearing that little rattle that I was hearing from those sway bar bushes. It wasn't a cheap exercise, however, it's done now and I'm glad it's done. And even if I add that money onto the price of the car that I actually paid for it, I still think I bought the cheapest XJR in Australia. Also, Greg was kind enough to send me via email a complete pictorial of the strip down of the supercharger and the timing chain cover. So if you guys want to tackle this yourselves, there's an explanation on each one of these photos that he sent me, and there'll be an exam after the video, so make sure you pay attention. Seemed pretty easy, I thought. Might tackle it myself next time. Thank you, Dr. Jag, for doing that for us. It's much appreciated. And if you guys did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, it really helps my channel. Just press that handsome bloke downstairs and he'll look after you. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.